Hi, I'm Mr. Mark with ReMarkable PE. I want to tell you a little bit about myself and my program. We live in really different times now, but I want you to know that I'm doing everything I can to keep your students safe. I do realize that students need the time with their peers, and when you come to my class, you'll find my PE classes are different from the standard PE. I try to do something different each day, each class period. And one of my goals is to keep all my students active as much as possible. I don't like students sitting on the sidelines for very long. Now, in these new times that we have, I am taking temperatures when they come to class. I am sanitizing the equipment in between classes or using brand new equipment that was not used the previous class. I'm also distancing students as much as possible. Hand sanitizers are out there, but we can only do so much. There is a risk when we do anything. And like I say, it's really tough times. So I would encourage you to go to my web page. There you can register for classes. Some of my fall classes are already full. I've added a new Monday afternoon class, and my Tuesday morning sessions are still open. So it's been wonderful to talk with you. I hope you have a safe school year, and check me out at ReMarkablePE.com. You can also contact me if you have any questions, ReMarkablePE@gmail.com. My website has that information on it. So again, as I say goodbye, ReMarkablePE.com.